Welcome to GoodWe Training Series. Today we will take you through the Lynx A unboxing and installation. Unboxing. Here is the Lynx A series box. Here are the components included in the accessory box. Introduction of the battery. Take a look at the appearance of Lynx A from different views. Length is 442 millimeters. Depth is 133 millimeters and the height is 475 millimeters. Here is the parameter label of the battery. Top views of the Lynx A. There are many ports. Installation of the battery. Lynx A G1 has two installation methods: stacked installation and wall-mounted installation. For stacking installation, please refer to the figure on the right or refer to Lynx A G3. Use a marker to mark the screw holes. Drill the holes using a 8 mm diameter percussion drill, ensuring a depth of approximately 80 mm. Use expansion bolts to attach the mounting bracket to the wall. Fix all 4 screws as shown in the video. Take out the back mounting bracket. Secure it with screws. Then install the battery on the mounting plate. Remove the protective cover from the power connection port. Prepare 2 cables and make terminals. Connect the cables to the power connection port. Then put the protective cover back on. Connect the other end of the cable to the inverter and install the protect cover. Insert the terminal resistor into the battery COM2 port. Connect the network cable to the COM1 port. Connect the other end of the network cable to the inverter. And put the cover on. Finally, connect the ground wire. Take out the battery cover. Install the cover on top of the battery. Click the switch and the battery will function normally. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe Training Series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.